the airport in our master plan proposed standard FAA safety areas, 1,000 feet long by 500 feet wide on each runway end. In the past, we have not had standard safety areas, and really because 20 years ago when safety areas came about, Coonskin Drive went directly at the end of the runway under the light path, and it was just not possible to fill that valley in due to that being the main access road to the park. Since that time, we've had some changes. There's a new entrance to the park. Coonskin Drive has been closed down due to the National Guard base, which led us to look at how can we get standard safety areas back at the airport. The study actually studies all the environmental effects plus what effects are in Coonskin Park. Being that it's parkland, there's some extra steps under Section 4F of the National Environmental Policy Act that require really a deep dive analysis to make sure that any negative effects to the environment are mitigated or can be mitigated before the project will move forward. Long-term goal of the airport is to have standard safety areas, so we have 1,000 feet at each runway end, but also to get an 8,000 foot runway and some more developable land. So in a couple of years, the general aviation area where Capital Jet Center is, that's going to be full. It's already pretty crowded. We're getting ready to do some projects now to build hangars and more apron space, but within a few years it'll be full and we'll need somewhere else to go. Ultimately, depending on where we get the fill dirt, we could end up with about 50 or 60 acres of land here for development with a connector taxiway.